Hi, my name's L.B.J.
And I'm Jason Kane.
And you're watching Science News.
Science News, yeah!
Today we're going to be interviewing
Protein synthesis. And look, he's right there.
So, welcome Protein Synthesis. This, as you may know, is the Science Channel. So, what we were wanting to know is what exactly is protein synthesis?
Well, protein synthesis is based off of two different cycles that make up one big cycle, transcription, into two multiple strands. And these strands are actually very important because an RNA will connect with that DNA strand and make something called mRNA. And this mRNA is also known as messenger RNA. And the messenger RNA then goes into the next cycle.
So, what we really want is to go into depth. So, why do we need mRNA?
Well, mRNA, or messenger RNA, basically goes into the cytoplasm to the ribosome organelle and tells what the ribosome needs to do in order to make the protein.
And so I guess we're going to go to the next phase, which is translation. Am I correct?
You are very correct.
Well, what is translation exactly?
Well, translation is the second cycle of protein synthesis. What it does is it takes that messenger RNA and it's basically kind of like a code. And that mRNA is basically turned into the DNA strand, and the DNA strand is then connected with these little helpers, I would say, called tRNA. And the tRNA connects to this DNA strand to make the amino acid, and these amino acids are built up to make the protein, which is then transported out of the cell and taken to where it needs to be.
And I heard something about amino acids. What are those?
Amino acids, like I said before, amino acids are built together to make the protein. The certain protein that will then go out of the cell to where it needs to go. Hi, welcome back to Science News. This is day 2 of our protein synthesis investigation. We're going to be interviewing Mutation. Let's go! Hi, Mutation. We wanted to know what mutation was and how it works. Can you tell us?
Why do I want to talk to you losers?
Well, Jason, it seems like we have a tough crowd. Can you smack her upside her head?
Bet.
Ready to talk? Are you ready to talk?
Yeah.
Well then, why don't you get up and we'll be right back. Welcome back to Science News. We have Mutation here, who we think is ready to talk. Hi, Mutation. Are you ready to talk?
No, but I'll do it anyway, because I don't want to get beat up.
Right on. Let's get into it. So, what is mutation and how does it really work?
A mutation occurs when an amino acid gets deleted or an insertion happens, which causes a mutation.
Oh wow, that sounds really neat. So, do these mutations affect anything?
They can affect multiple things.
Huh. Well, maybe we'll start that on another episode of Science News. Thanks for watching, but we have something special. Now that we know all this information, why don't we try to put it in our own animation of ourselves? Why don't we go see it right now?